The executor of Ginimbi's estate has been stopped from administrating the estate of the late socialite and businessman, pending finalization of the dispute. Popularly known as Ginimbi in social circles, Kadungure died in a horrific car accident last year. The court ruling comes after the late Ginimbi's sisters, Juliet and Nelia, and his father, Anderson Kadungure, approached the High Court suing lawyer Ms. Patricia Darangwa. They wanted an order stopping any administration of an unsigned will presented by Ms. Darangwa on November 25, pending a High Court review on why the Master of High Court appointed her as the executrix. The family is challenging the legitimacy of the document, and Justice Sylvia Chirau Mugomba granted the application by the Kadungure family, finding that Ms. Darangwa jumped the gun in authorizing the release of a Lamborghini in the absence of a proper liquidation and distribution account. In my view, the applicants cannot be faulted for holding the view that irreparable harm may result from the conduct of first respondent, she said. Their apprehension in the face of the first respondent's admitted conduct is valid. According to the Kadungure family, Ginimbi's estate has liabilities. The court also noted that Ginimbi's estate spans across 3 countries, Zimbabwe, South Africa, and Botswana, which have different laws and processes in relation to the administration of estates of deceased foreigners. That in itself may entail external conflict of laws, said Justice Chirau Mugomba, tilting the balance of convenience in favor of the Kadunguri family, who are the beneficiaries. The judge further ruled that even if the court found that on the return date that the disputed document should be taken as a will, the Kadungure's rights should be protected. The Kadungures outlined the basis upon which they believed the document was fake and should be nullified, while Ms. Darangwa explained the circumstances surrounding the preparation and presentation of the document. But Justice Chirau Mugomba ruled that the acceptance of any document that did not meet the requirements was not a walk in the park. In my view, there are prima facie red flags in the document itself, processes and manner leading to the acceptance of the document as a will that may result in court sitting on review, making a finding in favor of the applicants, she said. The Kadungures had reasonably arguable prima facie case on review, said the judge. Justice Chirau Mugomba said the question on review should revolve around the circumstances leading to the writing of the document and whether or not a proper inquiry was conducted of the document itself. She said the whole basis was to arrive at the truth and rule out any fraud. The judge added that if the court finds in favor of the Kadungures on the return date, then the estate would be wound up on the basis of instant succession. If not, the document would continue satisfying as Ginimbi's, said the judge. In their urgent application, Juliet said the family was entitled to protect its interests in Ginimbi's estate and would not rest until the alleged irregularity was